In reality, not many people know that the Dalia is considered the Mexican national flower. It has been cultivated in pre-Hispanic times for its ornamental, medicinal, and dietary aspects. It's known to be high in fiber. There are more than 36 species of Dalia in Mexico, each of which can be distinguished by differences in leaf shapes, colors, or sizes. Nevertheless, within this group we find a particular member which, like a liana, hangs from the trees with the roots harmlessly encircling the trunks. This is the Dalia Macdougallii, the only species of its type. It's been forgotten for over 60 years. No new information has been generated about it. Dalia belongs to the Asteraceae family, section Epiphytum. This epiphytic plant creeps up 6 to 20 meters trees. It's the only species that shares its habitat with other epiphytes such as ferns, orchids, and bromeliads. One of the most important characteristics of the stem is that its surface is covered with lenticule spores, which under wet conditions generates adventitious roots and cut the stem to form stakes that can be easily converted into propagation material. From the plant's base, it produces branches that can attain the height of 10 meters. They are solid and semi-woody. Its leaves are pinnately opposed of approximately 18 to 27 centimeters in length. The primary pinna is rounded at its base. It's about 4 to 5 centimeters in width and 13 to 15 centimeters in length. The leaves are bicolored. The upper side has a green dark color and the lower side has a gray-green color. Its aerial roots can reach up to 5 centimeters in diameter and as long as 22 meters in length and grow downward until penetrating the ground. They often do not produce tuberous roots like the other species of Dalia, but instead form small protuberances at the intersection points between the stems and branches. Their heads are either lavender or white depending on growing conditions. In the winter, they adorn the treetops. It is for this reason that they are sometimes known as polyzidia. The heads form after pollination, a conical-shaped structure that contains the achene. When the plant matures, it changes its color and releases its seeds along with membranous bracteae. Their length is from 0.4 to 0.7 centimeters, their width 1 millimeter, and they are elongated and black. This plant can be found growing on oak trees in rainy mountain forest. Its only known use is as ornamental in local regions. The research, conducted by the Autonomous University of Chapingo, the Autonomous National University of Mexico, and Xochitla's Ecological Park, is encouraging the sense of domestication of the Dalia Macdougallii. Pot plants were generated successfully from seeds and stalks. In this way, genetic improvements by hybridization is being attempted in order to be able to introduce this beautiful and exotic epiphytic Dalia to ornamental industry.